Hi, and welcome back to Cotton Creations. So today I have a special guest, and if you've been tuning in to the past couple of vegan recipe videos, then you know who it is. It is none other than my world famous friend,
Alan Carter.
Alan Carter. That's right.
That's me.
And he's an amazing cook and chef, and he's going to be sharing one more backyard barbecue favorite recipe with you guys, and that's
going to be buffalo chicken dip. But instead, I know I scared you, right?
Yeah, he scared me.
But instead of using chicken, we are substituting that with jackfruit. It turned out amazing. This is actually both of our first times making this recipe. So we hope that you love it as much as we did.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and let's do it. Let's jump right into it, right?
Yeah, let's get into it. Oh, and if you missed any of the previous videos that Alan did on my channel of the other backyard barbecue favorites, then they'll be right up here. So make sure you hit that link, and let's hop into the video.
Let's do it.
So to get started on the buffalo jackfruit dip, the first thing you will do is warm your pot on the stove, add in your ranch and buffalo sauce and mix together. Then add in your cream cheese and mix that together as well. And if you want your dip less spicy, you can use less buffalo sauce.
We use Go Veggie cream cheese as well as Frank's Red Hot buffalo sauce, and we use Follow Your Heart ranch dressing.
The next ingredients you want to add to your dip will be your celery, cheeses, and nutritional yeast. You can also add a little bit more ranch, buffalo sauce, or almond milk to their dip to get it to the right consistency that you like. The next step in finishing your buffalo jackfruit dip will be transferring to an oven-safe dish. In our recording, we added jackfruit to our cheese sauce, but after finishing, we realized it's actually better if you add your cheese sauce to the jackfruit instead, so you don't add too much.
One thing to note about using canned jackfruit is you want to rinse it at least 4 times in cool water before you shred it.
After adding your shredded jackfruit to your cheese dip, you'll mix thoroughly together and then bake in the oven.
To know, not really dying, what you guys think of this recipe. Like, it's so cheesy, it's so creamy, it's like amazing.
It's delicious. It's comfort food, it is everything food, it is finger food. It turned out so good. I'm really, really happy and excited about it.
So, were there any like pointers or things you want people to keep in mind with this recipe?
So, when you're doing this recipe, one thing to keep in mind is that you're probably going to make more cheese sauce than you have for jackfruit. You're going to want to keep your jackfruit separate from the sauce when you're preparing it. Keep it after you shred it in its own separate mixing bowl. You're going to want to add the sauce after it's melted down to the jackfruit itself, and not taking the jackfruit and adding it to the sauce. It's just going to help you from over mixing it and having it be way too cheesy and saucy. That's all I got for tips really that I can think of. How about you?
I mean, I know some of you guys will ask like what type of cheese did we use. We ended up using Daiya cheese, which Alan knows I am not a huge fan of Daiya because it leaves like a waxy flavor or a waxy texture in my mouth. But I've noticed that when you mix it with other ingredients, it doesn't have that effect. So I didn't get that at all with the buffalo jackfruit dip that Alan did. So that is the type of cheese, if anybody was curious about that.
Speaking of the cheese, actually, one thing we can't say for sure because we use Daiya was other cheeses might melt differently. So with Daiya and by the way, for the cream cheese that we used, it was by Go Veggie. All of those worked out perfectly and melted down and was nice and creamy with no like little pieces left over. So just keep that in mind if you're going to use a different brand of vegan cheese, that it might just not melt properly. And then one other tip that I did forget to mention was when you're heating the sauce on the stovetop, to heat the liquids first, like the ranch and the buffalo sauce, and then add your cheese to that. You're not going to want to add the cheese straight to the pot. You're going to want to get some hot liquids in there first. That helps to bring the melt the cheese a little bit more and bring it down to its consistency.
Yeah. So thank you. So yeah, if you guys want to let us know what you think of this recipe down in the comment section down below, and if you like this video,
thumbs up,
give us a thumbs up, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on all the amazing vegan recipes that I have coming your way. And thanks Alan again for joining me, and y'all know I'm gonna
thank you guys.
Yes, and y'all know I'm gonna get Alan to come back and do a few more recipes before the year's out.
I'll be back.
But yeah, the recipe is down in the description box below, so you guys can print it out or download it onto your device. And that's pretty much it. And thanks for watching.
Thanks, y'all. Bye.
Bye. Hi, and welcome back. Hi, and welcome back to Cotton Creations. Okay, let's try it again. Wait. Okay.
I just prefer Daiya, one for the taste. I think it tastes wonderful. I don't get the waxy texture like Shani does.
Friend.
I really don't.
Friend.
What?
Just a little?
I don't think so. Well, maybe, well, no. I was gonna say maybe from the, when we use the mozzarella cheese.
Yeah,
but but there's two different kinds of it. Remember?
Yeah, but I got the new one that you told me to get.
And you still got it from that one? I got it from the old one. So.
Both of them.
I don't know. For me, I didn't get it. From the old mozzarella cheese one, I did get it. From the new one, I didn't get it that much.
But you got some.
But it wasn't enough to make me think of like, this is waxy.
No, I was just saying that you got some.
Oh yeah. But it wasn't. It wasn't like the original mozzarella cheese from Daiya, where it was like it left it on like the fronts of my teeth, and I hated it. This one was nothing like that. It didn't stick to my teeth or anything. So
the new one left it on the sides of my teeth instead of the front. So I mean,
I don't know. She's crazy. So
and he is going to be doing another backyard barbecue favorite, and that is
it is buffalo jackfruit dip.